And for this one, I'll be making my way north up to Sherburne Station. I'm not entirely sure the route I'll be following at this point. Whoa! Great driving right in front of a police van too. That lady went right through the red light and then she tried to reverse into pedestrians to get out of it. That van had a bunch of police in it. You think one of them could have jumped out and done something, but in this city, they'll rather give a ticket to a cyclist for safely gliding through a stop sign than ticket a motorist for nearly killing someone. That's just the way it is.